Like, please, just the tiniest amount, a bit of better production here. Like, dude, that's just a regular countdown timer, man. Urethane. Oh, yeah, urethane. That's a familiar one. Varnish. Yeah, varnish is like the right word for it. Yes, varnish. Yo, Pippo. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I don't understand English. Wait, you don't understand English, but yet you responded to his question about coding for wood furniture? Sussy. Very sussy. Unless you translated. It's very sussy. All right, here we go.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to
Hi.
CES 2024.
Okay.
We'll begin with GeForce RTX and then cover robotics. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Welcome to our world.
Oh my God.
Where every click, every moment, and every detail matters. From creating new worlds.
Okay, let's see.
To epic solo adventures and chaotic multiplayer showdowns.
Okay.
We take you beyond.
I only know that, and then this reply to explain I don't understand English.
And by uniting fearless innovation with the power of AI, you're charged with superpowers, making every move momentous.
Why is it?
And bringing every concept
No.
to life.
Bro, this is gonna be one of those things where it's like the music is so loud, but when the voices come on, it's so quiet.
PC gaming and content creation through 3 decades of technology breakthroughs and performance gains of 10 million X. There are now over 200 million gamers and creators worldwide who count on GeForce-powered desktops and laptops. Today, NVIDIA is at the center of the latest technology transformation, generative AI. Gen AI presents an opportunity far larger than the internet. It will change how we interact with games. It will speed up creative workflows and will give everyone a co-pilot to make us all more productive. NVIDIA's journey in AI began in 2006. We launched the GeForce 8800 GTX. Designed to play the most challenging video games, it proved it could certainly run Crysis. The 8800 architecture also introduced CUDA cores, allowing researchers and developers everywhere to program the GPU for non-graphical applications. In 2012, a team of researchers from the University of Toronto made an incredible discovery. The GeForce GTX 580 GPU, best known for running games like Call of Duty, could be programmed with CUDA to run a convolutional neural network, an early innovation in deep learning.
Okay, big boy words.
The GTX 580 crushed the record in the famed ImageNet image recognition
Scooby,
contest.
thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I apologize.
GPU-accelerated deep learning
It took me a second. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Thank you.
RTX in 2018 and set in motion a giant leap in graphics, real-time ray tracing.
10 years in the making.
It combined RT cores used to process rays with tensor cores, used for AI-powered deep learning supersampling, or DLSS. The Ray Trace Star Wars Reflections experience, which previously required 4 NVIDIA V100 data center GPUs at a price tag of $60,000, is now possible on a single GeForce RTX GPU.
You think she heard us?
We continued to invest in
that
ray
used to
tracing
cost
and AI.
$60,000.
From its launch in 2018, RTX AI performance has increased 10x to 1,300 teraops.
I remember Battlefront looked nuts.
Now, with DLSS 3.5, 7 out of every 8 pixels are generated by AI.
Hang on, the dog's still barking, and I'm going to go grab some milk. I'll be right back really quick. When I come back, I want to recap. Somebody recap me what I missed, okay?
ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion inspired an unprecedented investment in training and inference of new generative AI models. With 100 million shipped, RTX GPUs provide a massive installed base for AI applications. In October, NVIDIA released our TensorRT LLM library for Windows, accelerating large language models like Llama 2 and Mistral up to 5x on RTX PCs. With our new Chat with RTX playground, enthusiasts can connect an RTX accelerated LLM to documents or YouTube videos using retrieval augmented generation or RAG and chat away. We are also introducing Tensor RT acceleration for Stable Diffusion XL and SDXL Turbo in the popular automatic 1111 app, providing up to 60% boost in performance. Looking forward, AI experiences will be delivered with a hybrid of cloud and PC computation. Hybrid AI will use NVIDIA GPUs in the cloud to run the largest language models, while taking advantage of RTX Tensor cores on your PC to run latency-sensitive applications.
Sorry.
We are
give me the
already
rundown.
seeing
What I
hybrid
missed?
AI in action. For video conferencing, Microsoft
I think
Teams
some snow
offers
fell
Copilot,
off the roof and
an
it scared the
assistant running in
dogs.
cloud,
One
while
dog was
NVIDIA
just barking like
Broadcast runs
crazy, and then the other
locally
dog
for
was
noise
just
removal and
like
virtual backgrounds.
freaking out. The puppy.
For content
Have a great day. I'm
creation,
off. All right, see
Adobe
you later,
Photoshop
Scooby. Thank you for being
includes
here, brother man.
Firefly-powered generative fill running in the cloud.
I
while
appreciate it, dude.
RTX
Thank you for being here,
GPUs
Scooby.
power
Thank
AI
you, man.
tools on the PC. And in gaming, a combination of AI
Bro,
in the cloud
my
and
camera
PC
overheated again,
will
man.
pull you deeper into the story. Last year, we
Young boy's
introduced
mother, welcome
Ace,
back, by the way,
our
too.
platform for AI-powered game characters. Let me turn it over to Seth for more detail.
Thanks, Jeff.
Hey,
NVIDIA
Seth.
Ace is a technology platform that brings digital avatars to life with generative
Wow.
AI. Ace AI models are designed to run in the cloud or locally on the PC.
That is really cool,
Let's
though.
walk through an interaction with a game character. First, we start with the player's
This is one of my favorite things that they're doing right now is the ability for you to talk to AI like a regular human.
Then,
really
we
neat.
feed that text into a large language model to generate the character's response. After that, the text response is vocalized using a text-to-speech model, which is then passed to an animation model to create a realistic lip sync. Finally, the dynamic character is rendered into the game scene. Here at CES, we are announcing Ace Production Microservices for audio-to-face and automatic speech recognition. Available now, each model can be incorporated by our developers individually into their own pipelines. We are working with top digital avatar developers to bring NVIDIA Ace technology to gamers. Our latest collaboration is with Convey, a developer platform that enables easy integration.
That is really
with
neat.
Gen AI
This is my favorite thing
Convey's
that they're doing,
platform
man,
features
by
a set of
far.
tools and APIs to create character personas and enable dynamic conversations leveraging the new NVIDIA audio-to-face and Riva microservices.
Obviously, it's really early, but we're going to have like a Ready Player One type thing going on here.
And actions. Let's take a look. In this demo, we're back in the ramen shop with Jin, except this time, we're joined by Nova, a cybersecurity expert in our cyberpunk-flavored world. Let's listen in as these two AI game characters have a generated conversation.
Nova, you ever get that uncanny feeling we're like those AI constructs from the old sci-fi flicks? But nah, we're too quirky for that.
The cool thing is, the conversation's different every time.
Quirky is one word for it, Jin. I think we're just too real to be anything but flesh and blood. You're not wrong, Jin. Sometimes I wonder if we're all just part of some elaborate cybernetic dream. If we were AIs, I'd be the one cracking jokes about the singularity over a bowl of ramen. Kai, long time no see. You've been hiding in the shadows, or have you just been trying to
So it's
avoid
slightly
me?
different every time.
Hey Nova, it's good to see you. I haven't been trying to avoid
This
you,
is
just
about
been super
AI
busy.
right here.
How are things?
Things are fantastic. Just
This is
secured
a
juicy
segment
contract
where
with Zenith
they
and
are
Sons.
showing off their development
Jin,
where
hear
you
that?
can talk
Nova
to
just landed a big
AI
contract.
in the
Let's break out the
game
good stuff.
like a
You
normal
got it,
person.
Kai. Nova's success calls for the top shelf celebration. Just don't expect this to become a habit.
Thanks, Jen. So Nova, have you been playing any games recently?
I've been testing this cool game tech on a secret new GPU that's launching very soon. I can't talk about it here,
What?
but I can show you at the lab.
Wow, that sounds super cool. Yeah, I'd love to see the game tech. Let's go back to your lab.
Absolutely. Follow me and prepare to be blown away by what you're about to see.
With Convey's latest framework, game characters can now interact with the scene by fetching objects and navigating the world, all based on your conversation. Over to you, Christina.
What?
Thank you, Seth. So many exciting new developments in gaming, and it doesn't end there. I'm thrilled to share.
Hey,
that
yo,
we
can
now
you
have
go
over
grab that
500
bottle of
RTX
water over
games
there
in
for
apps.
me?
This includes.
Oh
Alan
yeah,
Wake 2,
sure. Let me
which
go
won
grab
3
that.
awards at
The
this
AI
year's
just
Game
walks
Awards.
over there and
And
grabs
will
it
just
for
keep
you,
growing.
bro. What?
Horizon Forbidden West,
That's
a
crazy.
critically acclaimed sequel to Horizon Zero Dawn, will be coming to PC early this year with the Burning Shores expansion, accelerated by DLSS 3. RTX gamers will race to save the planet's crumbling biosphere. Let's take a look.
Well, it looks like the rebels just got a lot more firepower.
Yo, is this game any good? Is this game any good at all? Oh, the main, yeah, you're playing like an old Japanese game, right? Samurai game.
PAX Day
Tell the
is a
main
social
villain to commit
sandbox
Sudoku
MMO
or he's a
inspired by
loser.
the legends of the medieval
Imagine.
era, where myths are real,
Tried
ghosts
Arc
exist,
browser? No,
and
I
magic
haven't.
is unquestioned. Developed by Mainframe Industries with veterans from CCP Games, Blizzard, and Remedy Entertainment, PAX Day will launch in early access on PC with AI-accelerated DLSS 3 in spring 2024. Here's a peek at never-before-seen gameplay.
What is this game? Is it a survival game? Yeah. Another survival game, bro. Of course. Medieval style. Right. Is this the new Skyrim? Social sandbox
summer,
MMO.
Diablo 4
Yeah, it's the new
launched with
Skyrim.
DLSS
I avoid
3
this
and
game at all
immediately became
costs.
Blizzard's
Have you heard of that
fastest-selling
game
of all
before?
time. I am pleased to announce that ray tracing is coming to Diablo 4 this March. Here's an exclusive look with RTX on.
You met Horizon? Gotcha. Oh, that's cool. Just like small
Our partnership with Activision
small
doesn't
like
end
changes
there.
and
It
updates
also
and stuff.
extends to the
You know.
cloud with GeForce Now. In November, we welcomed the first Activision Blizzard game, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, day and date with its PC release.
Waiting for the
The
VR
lineup will only
VR
continue
stuff,
to grow
right?
With Diablo 4
VR to the point where it
Overwatch
like
2
almost
coming
looks like
soon.
it's direct real
We will
life,
continue
right?
to
That'd be
release
amazing.
top titles from around the globe, like Honkai Star Rail and PAX Day. Today, I am also excited to announce Day Passes coming to our membership options starting in February.
Cyberpunk.
Priority and Ultimate Day Passes will give gamers a full day of gaming with fastest access to our servers. At the intersection of gaming and creating is NVIDIA's modding platform, RTX Remix. There are over 10 billion game mods downloaded each year. With Remix, modders can remaster their favorite classic games with full ray tracing and DLSS 3.
Has anybody
And use generative AI tools to transform a classic
Oh.
game's low-resolution textures into 4K physically accurate materials.
Oh, that's cool.
We are excited to announce that the RTX Remix app will be releasing an open beta on January 22nd.
Ooh, open
Community mod
beta.
team Orbifold
Okay.
Studios is using RTX Remix to reimagine one of the greatest games of all time,
Half-Life 2.
Let's check out their latest
Half-Life
trailer
or
for a
Half-Life
first look
2?
at Ravenholm with DLSS 3.5.
Okay. Half-Life 2 RTX. That looks good. Look at that. Bro. Yeah, see, I'm familiar with that. I'm not familiar with this. I play a lot of Gary's mod, right? Dude, that's cool.
Back to you,
That is
Jack.
really cool.
Thanks, Christina.
Imagine doing a full
Generative
playthrough
AI
of Half-Life
empowers
2
designers
when
and
it looks like
marketers
that.
to create concept imagery, social media content, and more. Today, iStock by Getty Images is releasing a Gen AI service built on NVIDIA Picasso, our AI foundry for visual design. The iStock service allows anyone to create 4K imagery from text using an AI model that is trained on Getty Images' extensive catalog of licensed, commercially safe creative content. The generative AI service is available today at iStock.com with advanced editing features releasing via API. Let's take a look at iStock in action.
Yeah, I want to see
Generate
this.
visuals by describing your scene in a text prompt and select the generated image that closest matches your vision. Then add people and objects, indicating where in the image you want to place them and adding them with a simple description. iStock also allows you to modify specific elements in your image. For example, you can select a piece of clothing and iStock will generate new options that fit the space. Once you are done composing your scene, easily expand your image for different mediums. Go beyond your imagination and discover how easy it is to explore, design, and create with generative AI by iStock.
Yeah, okay, that's not real. That was not generated
Twitch
using
is one of the
AI.
most popular
But that is
platforms
cool,
for
though.
Content creators with over 7 million
How do you do that?
streamers going live each month to 35 million daily viewers. These viewers are on all kinds of devices
Twitch.
and internet services. Yet many Twitch streamers are limited to broadcasting at a single resolution and quality level. As a result, they must broadcast at lower quality to reach more viewers. Twitch, OBS, and NVIDIA are announcing enhanced broadcasting. This new feature will allow streamers to transmit up to 5 concurrent streams to Twitch at different resolutions and quality, so each viewer can receive the optimal experience. Twitch Enhanced Broadcast will be supported on all RTX GPUs. Beta signups start today and will go live later this month. Twitch will also experiment with 4K and AV1 on GeForce RTX 40 series to deliver even better quality and higher resolution streaming. Today, we are announcing the Super Series. Let's take a look.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on. Listen, hang on. We're going back to that after. We are going back to that after. We're going back to that after. Hang on. What? Doc Smash F Twitch. Only one thing it's going to be used for. What was that multi? Yeah, we're gonna go back and I'm gonna rewatch that a couple times. I'm gonna break that down. Bro, I hate this design because it only has one fan for cooling, dude. $4080 Super, $4070 Super, $4070 Ti Super, $4070 Ti Super. Jesus, bro. Holy yeah.
This is the RTX 4080 Super. For gamers, it can power fully ray-traced games at 4K. It is 1.4x faster than the RTX 3080 Ti without frame gen in the most graphically intensive games.
Yo, should I buy one? Type one in chat.
836 AI tops. DLSS frame generation delivers an extra performance boost, making the 4080 Super twice as fast as a 3080 Ti. Creators can generate video with stable video diffusion 1.5 times faster, and images with stable diffusion XL 1.7x faster. The RTX 4080 Super features more cores and faster memory, giving it a performance edge at a great new price of $999. The RTX 4080 Super will be available January 31st. Next up is the RTX 4070 Ti Super. We've added more cores and increased the frame buffer to
$800
and the memory bus to 256 bits. It's the perfect GPU to max out your high refresh 1440p
I have a 3050
and even
wait,
game
what?
at 4K.
Really?
Creators will love it for video editing and rendering large 3D scenes. It's 1.6x faster than a 3070 Ti and 2.5 times faster with DLSS 3. It will be available on January 24 for $799. We're also
January 24.
RTX 4070 Super.
Okay.
We've added 20% more cores, making it faster than the RTX
$600
3090 at a fraction of the power. And with DLSS 3, it's 1.5 times faster.
Bro, I paid like $330 for my 4060
starting January 17th. RTX is the fastest growing laptop platform, having grown 5 times in just the last 4 years. Over 50 million devices are enjoyed by gamers and creators across the globe. Today, we are announcing a new wave of RTX laptops launching from every major OEM, from 14-inch as slim as 16 millimeters to the most powerful 18-inch. There is a laptop for every gamer and creator. And thanks to powerful RT and Tensor cores, every RTX laptop is AI ready for the best gaming and AI experiences. With an installed base of 100 million GPUs and 500 RTX games and apps, GeForce RTX is the world's largest platform for gamers, creators, and now generative AI. For AI enthusiasts and developers, we are accelerating large language models for RTX PCs and workstations. And combined with NVIDIA GPUs in the cloud, hybrid AI will take experiences further.
I got a couple things I want to talk about here.
Game characters.
Guess I'm kind of a big deal now.
To power these experiences, we announced our new Super GeForce desktop GPUs, delivering more performance.
This is the conclusion, by the way.
To gamers and creators. We also announced a new wave of AI-ready RTX laptops from every major OEM, delivering the ultimate in mobile performance. A new era of PC computing is here, and it will transform everything we do. NVIDIA and our partners are excited for what comes next. And now we'll hear from Deepu Talla about a new era for robotics.
Okay, wait, it's not done. I thought it was actually done. But wait, it's not done. Hang on, hold up. Let him cook.
Thanks, Jeff. I would like to share how the infusion of generative AI into robotics is speeding up the ability to bring robots from proof of concept to real-world deployment. For the past few years, autonomous robots powered by artificial intelligence are being increasingly utilized for improving efficiency, decreasing costs, and tackling labor shortages. Logistics, warehouses,
it needs AV1 Pago. We're going to go back to that Twitch thing and break it down, dude.
And today,
we're going to go back to it and break it down. Because there was a lot of information there that was all of a sudden.
Large-scale fulfillment centers and manufacturing plants that are millions of square feet in area continue to add more smart robots. The next wave of industries for AI-powered smart robots include agriculture, construction, healthcare, and retail. In the last 12 months, generative AI has revolutionized
this is the next segment of the stream. Get into
process.
showing me like the crazy AI that you guys use.
Has been noted as the iPhone moment of AI. Very soon, we are at the tipping point of that same technology coming to computer vision and robotics. Generative AI models achieve higher accuracy while generalizing rather well, and applications are built using
that is really cool, man. Yo, okay, if they ever made a robot that could go out into the public and you could be like, I could be like, yo, my robot's sitting right here, and I could be like, yo, can you go to the garage outside and grab me a Sprite from the fridge? Right? And it would go out, get me one, and then bring it back in. Would you buy one of those robots? Type 1 in chat if you'd buy a robot like that.
And training of the AI model happens. It is essentially the creation of the AI model. This process can go on throughout the operating life of
the Harris Heller Clancy interview kind of hinted at Twitch's collab with NVIDIA and OBS with the encoding tech.
It gets better and better, more accurate, more performant, and more generalizable. Some applications might demand the AI model to be fine-tuned round the clock 365 days a year. For example, if you're operating a fleet of autonomous mobile robots or AMRs that are marching towards the goal of full autonomy. On the other end of the spectrum, the AI model only needs to be updated.
That type robot equals my
result,
kids. Okay.
Retraining happens periodically. For example,
nice.
robotic vacuum cleaner that needs to adapt to your home floor plan.
These are so cool, man. Those are so. You ever see those robots that'll map out your entire house, and they could either vacuum or mop? They can automatically like dispense their old water and get new water. And they can also like empty their trash bins and put them into the trash automatically. Bro, those are so cool.
Semiconductor manufacturing.
My brother's got one like that, but you got to empty it manually. It doesn't empty itself, but it maps out the whole house. So cool.
Powering an AMR or industrial arm with multiple sensors, such as 4 to 8 cameras, multiple 2D LiDARs, 3D LiDAR, and IMU.
4 to 8 cameras. Jeez.
We have seen how generative AI-powered chatbots and co-pilots can improve our
Python program.
Applying generative AI to robotics will be transformative to accelerating the development and deployment of smarter robots. If we think back to our two-computer model, let's see how generative AI, when combined with NVIDIA Omniverse running in the AI factory, enhances simulation. We are seeing that LLMs can eliminate bottlenecks and turn typical users into technical artists. Whether it's creating an...
Okay, listen, I don't even... Okay, to be honest with you, I don't even know what that guy's talking about right now. Like, he just keeps talking about, like, you know, what they've done with AI. But it's like, I mean, like, hello?
Platforms for content creators with over 7 million streamers going live each month to 35 million daily viewers. These viewers are on all kinds of devices and internet services.
Right, so phone, tablet, laptop, desktop, TV, right? Okay.
Many Twitch streamers are limited to broadcasting at
the streamer broadcasts at 720p 60 to be sure that all of these devices are going to be able to handle it, right? However, technically all of these devices can handle it anyways, no matter what, as long as they can decrease the resolution, right?
At a single resolution and quality level. As a result, they must broadcast at lower quality to reach more viewers.
Right, which is why they say, like, you know, try to broadcast and live stream at like 936p, right? It's really good quality. It can't actually go even higher than that because of the bitrate limit. And it might be able, like, it might help people watch more by doing a little bit of a lower quality, right?
Twitch, OBS, and NVIDIA are announcing enhanced broadcasting. This new feature will allow streamers to transmit up to 5 concurrent streams to Twitch at different resolutions and...
Yeah, so encode up to 5 concurrent streams for maximum quality and reach using OBS, and I'm assuming a 40 series card would be my guess. You got to use a 40 series card probably. And it would allow you to, it basically makes you live stream 5 different times, right? It's literally your computer has to live stream 5 different sources at 5 different resolutions, which might help the devices watch it. I don't understand. I don't, dude, I don't know. I just don't understand. Yeah, I just don't understand. Like, look at this. So you can broadcast. So look at this. You could broadcast at 480p 30 FPS to mobile, 720p 30 FPS to tablet, 1080p 60 here, 1440p 60 here, 4K 60 here using AV1. But I just I don't understand. I don't understand. What does this do? Am I crazy, man? What does this do? Because like, man, I don't know. Like, I have no idea what does this change besides allowing you to do 4K 60 with AV1, meaning that Twitch you could technically have 4K 60, but like, I don't understand how does this actually help the other things? Because I'm assuming this is 480p 30, so you could choose your resolution, your frame rate. Can you choose your bit rate? It decreases server usage, which means less cost, which means bigger revenue cuts, etc. Well, yeah, technically. So what this is doing is so this is fun fact for you. This is how you had to do resolutions on the early days of Kick. Fun fact for you. When I first started on Kick, if you wanted quality, you had to live stream 3 different streams. You had one for HD, one for like medium, and then one for low definition streams. So that's, you technically had to do this on Kick for the, like, when I first came to Kick. So essentially what this is doing is this is, rather than Twitch doing transcoding, which is very expensive, Twitch is having you do the transcoding yourself on your PC, right? Twitch basically wants you to do the transcoding yourself on your PC. It'll use more bandwidth and it will use more usage on the GPU, but it will allow you to do it very easily inside of OBS. But I'm going to tell you right now, you can technically already do this. Well, correction, you can't do this technically, because you need multiple sources to output to, or multiple stream keys to output to. So yeah, technically you can't do this. You can and can't. You just need the URL and the stream key to stream to, and then you could. But since it's going to be built into Twitch, it's literally like you're going to be able to do the settings. But yeah, more bandwidth and stuff like that. But yeah, no, yeah, it could decrease their AWS cost by a ton, and savings passed on to the streamers through incentives, bigger cuts, etc. I highly doubt that they're going to actually give more money out to streamers. I highly doubt that. But this will definitely decrease the expense from AWS. This will definitely help the cost of Twitch a lot. That's for sure. 100%. But if they said it in the interview that, oh, the savings could be passed on, yeah, that's a PR blowing smoke up your butt thing. But the goal here is, again, try to take the load off of Twitch and have the streamer do it themselves. But my question with this is, will they still have transcoding or not? That's my question, right? Because if they say that, okay, hey, if you're a partner, you don't have transcoding anymore. Affiliates, there's no possible way you can have transcoding anymore. You have to live stream for this, for different quality options. That's kind of weird. But then again, if that's the case, why would somebody choose to do this option here when Twitch is doing transcoding already? If Twitch doesn't remove transcoding, and this is an option to do to help Twitch is going to have to incentivize people to do this to help them. So Twitch has to offer the streamers something that would make it beneficial for them to do this. But even then, I got to be honest, when you I guess you could output 360p 60 or, whatever. And then if you're using AV1, you could do 4K 60. So yeah, I mean, dude, interesting. I mean, when you have the CEO of Twitch telling LeBron James to multi-stream on other platforms besides their own, while Kick was willing to give him a huge stack of cash. True. This is dumb. Better quality than streaming in 1080p and downscaling in post. I mean, it might be more optimal than downscaling in post, yeah, but it'll help a lot with money. People's streams are going to look like a mess. I don't think it'll look like a mess, but I think that you're going to see a lot of people who don't have computers that can handle this, right? There's going to be a lot of PCs that can't handle this, right? So yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Does it come with mold protection for low-end PC users trying to stream? Oh yeah, no. Yeah, if your PC can't handle multiple stream outputs, yeah, your stream is gonna be really laggy. It's gonna be cutting out. It's gonna be a disaster, for sure. So yeah, yeah. I'm curious. So basically, it's a way to f over all the over the streamers even more. I don't know. Put in a colorful way that it doesn't do so bad. There is a reason why this is being done. I can't explain it myself, but it's already broken down why this is beneficial for everyone. I mean, I think it is beneficial for a lot of people, right? But it's just, this is incredibly hard on your system. Like you got to have a very good graphics card to do this. Right. So people with streaming PCs are going to do very well because, again, the streaming computer, the graphics card in that is typically only for broadcasting, right? Typically only for broadcasting. But if you have a gaming PC as well, like, dude, you're gonna have to have a crazy card, man. Crazy good card. So I think it's interesting. Very interesting how this is going to work.
So each viewer can receive the optimal experience. Twitch enhanced broadcast.
Like, I think it's going to be awesome. I think it's going to, like, I think it could do really well. I'm just wondering about, like, the thing is it an option, right? Because again, if it's not an option and it's like, okay, hey, you're stuck at 1080p, you can't do transcoding, you can't do your own like transcoding options, then that kind of sucks. But if transcoding is still technically available and there's still a way you can get it like the way that it is right now, then yeah, that's fine. But you know, but you can't do it with other ones. It will only work with proper hardware. If not, the old way is done, but savings are still there plus benefits. True. I mean, yeah, there's definitely some benefits, better quality. Your stream might be easier to load for people on mobile and stuff like that, right? Like that'll benefit there. It'll help save Twitch money, right? So yeah, I mean, I think it's interesting. I think it's interesting. It's kind of just like an added feature. But yeah, I'm also curious. 4K 60, 4K resolution, 60 FPS. That's only really possible with AV1. Okay, it's only really possible with AV1, and it can do it for a lot. AV1 can live stream at a higher quality for a lot less bit rate too. So yeah, the only difference between what I said versus Twitch is that Twitch is a middleman. Yeah, Twitch is basically the middleman, just allowing this to happen, right? Yeah. Definitely an option. So this would have better quality than transcoding in post. Also improves latency potentially. Yeah, it could potentially improve latency.
Will be supported on all RTX GPUs. Beta signups start today and will go live later this month. Twitch will also experiment with 4K and AV1 on GeForce RTX 40.
4K H.264, 4K AV1. What one looks better? What one looks better? I mean, they're both pretty even in this light. Like they're pretty much both pretty even. There's like very small differences here between the two. Bro, camera, can you stop? It's literally, I have the window open, man. Camera. Camera. Stop it. Stop it, man. Crosshair more crisp. You think the crosshair's like a tiny bit more crisp. Yeah. I guess that's true. 4K, man.
Series to deliver even better quality and higher resolution streaming. Today, we are announcing the Super Series.
What, like, dude. Man, I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?